morning and welcome to Winter Park, Colorado. I just got back from breakfast with some friends and now I am loading up my bag to hit the trail. I did not sleep very well last night. I don't know if it was my body trying to adjust to the altitude and acclimate, but I was up and down, and some of my friends said the same as well. They're also from sea level, so we're gonna see how this hike goes. It is alongside a creek and apparently there's a waterfall at the end. Now, it hasn't been super rainy this season. It has rained a little bit in the past week, but we'll see. I think it'll be beautiful nonetheless. So I'm gonna finish loading up my bag and let's go hit the trail.
Did one time.
That's how I am, man. Smelling good.
Well, I had watched seasons 1 and 2 and then I had stopped. Today we're hiking Gem Creek Trail, which is located in Winter Park, Colorado, just across the street from the ski resort, making it a fairly popular trail. However, while we were here, there were not many other people in Winter Park, so popular is pretty relative. We did spot a fox pretty early into the hike, and I always love seeing foxes in the wild. I think they are so cute. Now, this trail starts just above 9,000 feet and finishes at almost 11,000 feet, so there is a little bit of elevation along the way. This will be a nice campsite.
Yeah. Plus, you have a big old axe.
This is a big old rock here with a bunch of different things in it.
Good morning and welcome to week 7 of my 12 miles in 12 weeks challenge. Today I'm here with a couple friends on Gems Creek Trail just outside of Winter Park, Colorado. We were able to walk over here from the hotel, which is super convenient, and we're going up, which is nice because on the way back it'll be all downhill. We're currently 2.5 miles into the hike and I'm feeling it. My breath is deep, which I guess it's good that I'm breathing, right? But we're here. We're gonna do, I think this trail is 7 miles out and back. So hopefully we will make it to the waterfall at the end and bring you guys along. We were all pretty excited, having seen a fox and a moose on this hike already. We reconnected with the creek and continued to follow it up the valley, and I'll be honest, the altitude and elevation was really starting to get to me at this point. I had to take a lot of breaks, and some of us took advantage by taking breaks in the creek, but it wasn't long before we arrived at the beautiful waterfall at the end. We spent some time hanging out and enjoying our snacks by the waterfall before it was time to turn around and head back down. And thankfully, down is literal because the whole way back was pretty much downhill. Now, you might notice in some of these videos that a lot of the trees are down as well. And the reason for that, we learned later, was because there was a microburst that came through this area a few years back that took most of the trees with the wind. We're back! 7.32 miles today. We are back at the hotel after a little over a 7-mile hike. It is currently 2:30, so we are just getting ourselves together. I've mixed up some more electrolytes in my water bottle before we head to lunch. I think we're gonna go to a Mexican restaurant. I'm hungry. I think we're all hungry. The hike was beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, it was hard. It was uphill the whole way to the waterfall. A little bit of flat, but mostly uphill. And as y'all know, I haven't done much elevation, so my legs were feeling it. I've been dealing with a little bit of nerve pain in one of my legs, which is just not fun. But we made it and we got to enjoy the beautiful waterfall. The weather today was perfect. Could not. If I was writing a letter to God and asking for the perfect hiking weather, it would be today. Like, it is in the 60s, it's sunny, but there's a breeze. It's just perfect. It's absolutely perfect. And I am so grateful for that. I did not get to ask the question of today. So my question for today's video is, what is something that made you smile this week? I hope you can think of something in the past week that's made you smile, but if not, let's go for the past month. So go ahead and drop those down in the comments below. But I hope you enjoyed this hike here in Colorado. I leave tomorrow, so I will have another destination kind of that I'm going to for work that I will be hiking in next. So I'm excited for that. If you want to stick along for week 8, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And for those of you who are already following along, it means the world to me. Thank you so much for supporting this journey and my recovery and this channel in general. And if you are on your own journey, best wishes to you. And I will see you all very soon for another great day of hiking. Bye.